Today we'll discuss about JavaScript operators. So in here there are different types of operators are there. तो मैं एक के बाद एक डिस्कशन करूंगा. So पहले हो गया एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन. ठीक है. So this is the symbols we have to use for these operators. Then we'll go for the assignment operator जहाँ पे हम लोग यूज करेंगे ऐसे like assignment like plus sign, then the equal sign, then how it will represent basically a equals to a plus b. So we'll discuss with the example, and then we'll come for the comparison operator where we can see the greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to, or equal to, or not equal to. Then we'll come for logical operator. The logical operator means we can check out the and operator or operator, then the not equal to operator. Then we'll come for nullish coalescing. Let's take one example like let a equals to 12 and let b equals to 13. So like if I'll do the addition, so we'll get four outputs. Yeah. So first is the addition, then the subtraction, then multiplication, then it is division. We can see the result. Now if we'll add number with string, let's see what will happen. Now if we'll add some C13, then what will happen? A plus not 13, 14, A plus B plus C. Let's see what will happen. It will come, see, 1 2 1 3 1 4, because adding the value before the string and after the string, it will add like a string value. Then we want to check the type of operator. See, we can see the type of S is string. So it's behaving like a string. It's not a number. Now if you want to like A equals to 12 and B equals to 13, then how can we'll convert the string into integer? So there is a conversion methods are there. A plus, we can convert like number, then B can console log, then the S. See, it's coming 25. So we can, we're adding 13.4, then what it gives? It gives 25.4, right? But if I want like a whole or integer value, then what will happen? Then I need to convert it into integer. See, it's giving the whole number 25. Assignment operator. Let's a equals to 2 and let's b equals to 3. Then we can write a, then plus equals to b. That means a equals to a plus b. So if you'll see the result, then you can check it out. See, it's giving 5, 2 plus 3, right? In the same way, we can do for the subtraction also. It means a equals to a minus b. Okay. Okay, it will give -1, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, so -1. So some the other things also, one is a plus plus and another is plus plus a. So what does it mean basically? Plus plus means it will be incremented by 1. Okay. If we write a plus plus, so it will print the value before the increment. If I'll do console dot log this, then it will give me 2 only. See, if I do plus plus a, it means it gives me the value of a after the increment. Means it will give me 3 right now. Now we'll discuss the comparison operator. Okay, let's take one example. Let a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Then I'll check if lay a less than b, means I'm asking this condition. If this condition passed, then it will go inside and it will print the value. देखो, तो a पे 3 लेस देन 4, इसलिए ये ट्रू हो गया, then it is going inside and इसको प्रिंट करा दिया. ठीक है. Of now we can check like equals to also equals condition, then also it will go inside and print the this console. So in that way we can do check for the greater than and greater than equal to also. See, it printing this console log. There is not equal to b also there. It's not printing anything because these both are same, so it's not satisfying this condition. Now if I'll give 5, then it will satisfy this condition because these both are not equal. The next we'll discuss with the logical operator. The logical operator we use AND operator, OR operator and the NOT operator. AND operator means the both the conditions should be satisfied. So the V should be greater than A and B should be less than B, then the condition will be satisfied. Let's see. See, it's printing AND operator. And if one of the condition is not satisfied, then it will not go inside. Okay. So true, false, then it will give always false. False and false, then it will give false. True and true, then it will give only true. False and false, then it will give false. So these conditions we should remember. Now we'll go for the OR operator. OR means either this or that. So if this condition is satisfied, then it will go inside. Or this, if this condition will be satisfied, then it will go inside. So it means like either of this condition, if the satisfied, then it go inside in the if loop. So for that we can see some condition checking, like if true or false. If true or false means it will be true. False or true, then it will be true. True or true, then it will go, it will give true also. If false or false, then it will give false. Here, if any of this condition is true, then it will give always true. That's all. Now you can check not operator. Suppose if I written a equals to null, null means empty, right? Then a1. So null means empty. In here it will behave like a false. Remove this. It printing null. So basically a1 is a null. That's why it's not go inside, because in here it will give false as a boolean. Now, so before the false means if it give false, then if I use not operator before the false, that means it gives true. ठीक है, अब हम लोग इसको यूज करेंगे not a1. If a1 is a null, then print this. See, it gives null. Okay, now we'll check nullish coalescing. So it's basically if the first value is null or undefined, then it will print the second value. If it is uh, not null or undefined, then it will print the first value. We'll check. See, it printing first value because it's not null or undefined. So what is the need of this operator? Because we can use or operator also, right? Here it means or operator means if this is a null and undefined, then it will go for JavaScript, because it will check, okay, this is a null or undefined means it's a false. Then it will check the next condition. Okay, this condition is true, then it will print the JavaScript. Now if you'll print the S1, it will give 1 because it's a, and if I give null here, then see, it will print the JavaScript. So like why we need this operator then? Already we have the or operator, right? जब मान लो कोई काउंट जीरो हो गया, हम लोग कोई जगह में कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं, उस कैलकुलेशन में डेटा जीरो आ गया, तो जीरो जब आएगा तब हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? लाइक बेसिकली जब हम इसे जीरो लिखेंगे, इसको जीरो, लाइक द काउंट, then this, now count is zero, so zero will behave like a false. It will give JavaScript right now. See, but हम लोग के काउंट चाहिए क्योंकि वो कैलकुलेशन होकर जीरो आया है, एंड वी नीड टू प्रिंट द जीरो आल्सो. लाइक इफ द calculation comes like zero, then what will do? Then you can do like this, count. If I'll print s, then what will happen? See, it gives me zero also. That time we can use this nullish operator. Okay, so these are the operators we are using in the JavaScript. And there is another thing I want to show you. When you do the addition, like a equals to 10, and if you try to add a with undefined, then what it will give, we have to check. Let r equals to a plus undefined. Okay, so it's giving me NaN. NaN means not a number. Whenever we'll try to add something which is not a number, then it will give this error, not a number. Now we can check uh, if that particular variable is a number or not. There is a condition is there. If is NaN. Now I can check a variable is number or not. Let's see. Okay, I'll do this because a is a number. That's why it printing a number. Now I'll try to check with the string. See, not a number because this is a string. That's why it's giving me not a number. So that's all for the today. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching the video. We will meet in the next session.